Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Heritage Hills Golf Resort and Conference Center. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Heritage Hills Golf Resort and Conference Center set upon rolling Pennsylvania hills. This resort offers an on-site golf course and access to a nearby course. A massage facility, miniature golf course. Rooms at Heritage Hills Golf Resort and Conference Center include a 32-inch flat-screen HD TV and iPod docking stations. Bathrooms feature granite vanities and European bath towels. Work can be completed on a granite-top desk with ergonomic chair. Serenity Spa at Heritage Hills offers massage, hair and nail treatments. During winter months, AvalancheXpress has multiple lanes open for snow tubing and ice skating. Knickers Pub serves drinks and pub food in an outdoor patio. Heritage Hills Golf Resort is 5 miles from York Harley-Davidson. Rocky Ridge County Park is less than 6 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.